Autodesk is an innovative platform that enable teams to collaborate and communicate effectively while working remotely. Its advanced features include real-time collaboration tools, secure file sharing, and seamless integration with popular productivity software such as Microsoft Office and Google Workspace. By leveraging these features, teams can enhance their productivity, reduce errors, and improve overall job satisfaction. Furthermore, Autodesk offers robust security measures to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance with industry standards. This includes multi-factor authentication, encryption, and regular security audits. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive design, Autodesk makes it easy for users to navigate and manage their workflows. The platform also supports multiple devices and operating systems, allowing teams to work seamlessly across different environments. Additionally, Autodesk provides a range of customizable templates and integration with other business applications, enabling teams to tailor their workflow to meet specific needs. The company has been providing remote work training since its inception, with a focus on empowering IT professionals and organizations to succeed in a distributed world. The training covers various aspects of remote work, including team management, communication, and collaboration tools. The company's expertise lies in helping IT professionals develop skills necessary for success in this new environment. The global shift to remote and hybrid work models has permanently changed how organizations operate. Distributed teams are no longer the exception, they are the standard. This new reality demands that organizations adapt their IT infrastructure to meet the needs of these distributed teams. Effective management of remote desktop environments is crucial to ensure seamless collaboration and productivity among team members. With the rise of remote work, there is a growing need for skilled professionals who can design, implement, and maintain secure and efficient remote desktop infrastructure. The IT professionals who attend this training will gain a comprehensive understanding of how to manage, support, and troubleshoot remote desktop environment. They will learn about secure remote access, session management, and team collaboration. This knowledge enables them to implement efficient and reliable remote work operations. Remote Desk Training provides a comprehensive learning experience that enables IT professionals to master the art of managing remote desktop environment. With our expert instructors, students learn how to implement industry best practices for endpoint security, encrypted communication, and comprehensive data protection. Students also gain hands-on experience with tools such as Remote Desktop Service, RDS, Microsoft Intune, and other relevant technology. By the end of the course, students are equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to design, deploy, and manage their own remote desktop environment. The foundations of remote work and remote desks are built on several key concepts including security, efficiency, and empowerment. To begin your journey, it's essential to understand the core concept, architecture, and principles that underpin every successful remote desktop environment. This includes knowledge of protocol, authentication methods, session management, and team collaboration tools. By grasping these fundamental elements, you'll be well equipped to design, implement, and manage a secure, efficient, and effective remote desktop environment. The module introduces students to the core technology behind remote desktop and remote work concept. Fundamental remote desktop protocol and tools are covered, along with architecture and system components. Different deployment environments are discussed, including on-premise, cloud, and hybrid options. Secure access methods such as authentication, encryption, and access controls are also examined. By the end of the module, students will have a solid understanding of the technical aspect of remote desk and how they can be applied in real-world scenarios. The process of setting up a remote desk environment involves several key steps that must be carefully planned and executed. Initial setup, configuration, and testing are essential components of this process. The primary objective is to create an environment that provides a seamless and efficient user experience. To achieve this, a remote desk environment should incorporate features such as secure authentication, reliable connectivity, and optimized system performance. Organizations that follow these guidelines will be able to establish a solid foundation for their remote work infrastructure, which will enable them to operate effectively in a distributed world. The installation process of remote desk involves setting up remote desk on both the client and server systems. This includes configuring all necessary settings to ensure a seamless connection between the two. Once the installation is complete, it is essential to customize user profile and access rights to match your organization's specific role and policies. Before going live with remote desk, it is crucial to perform connectivity testing and an initial login to verify that everything is functioning correctly. This will give you the confidence to move forward and start utilizing remote desk in your daily operations. It is also recommended to monitor the performance of remote desk over time to identify areas for improvement. User group and role are essential in managing user access and permission within a remote desktop environment. By creating, managing, and grouping users with specific role-based privilege, administrators can ensure that each user has the necessary level of access to perform their task efficiently. This enables better control over who can access sensitive data and systems, thereby reducing potential security risk. Implementing multi-factor authentication adds an additional layer of identity verification, making it more difficult for unauthorized individuals to gain access to the system. Strong password and time-based policies enforce strict credential rules and restrict access by schedule. Integrating the identity system with other security measures creates a robust and secure environment. The company has implemented various measures to improve its remote work setup. One key measure is the use of monitoring tools to track the performance of their remote desktop environment. The company has also invested heavily in cybersecurity measures, including the implementation of advanced threat detection systems and regular security audits. Additionally, the company has optimized its remote desktop environment by implementing robust security protocols, such as multi-factor authentication and encryption. These measures have helped the company to reduce downtime and increase productivity. However, despite these efforts, the company still faces significant challenges in maintaining a high level of performance and security for its remote desktop environment. Despite this, the company remains committed to continually improving its remote work setup. The importance of real-time monitoring cannot be overstated. Organizations must track user sessions, activities, and resource usage as they happen to identify potential security threats and take swift action to mitigate them. This enables a proactive approach to managing risk, ensuring the integrity of sensitive data and maintaining the overall security posture of the organization. Session recording allows for the capture of evidence in the event of a security incident, facilitating compliance audit and investigation. Concurrent session handling ensures seamless management of multiple simultaneous sessions, minimizing the impact on system resources and preventing performance degradation. Alerts and anomaly detection enable immediate notification of unusual or unauthorized behavior, allowing swift response and remediation. These features collectively empower organizations to maintain a robust security framework, safeguarding their digital asset and protecting against emerging threats. VPN setup is essential for protecting remote connectivity. Configuring encrypted VPN tunnels ensure secure communication between the client and server. Sensitive information can be transmitted safely across the internet when this is done. Bandwidth optimization is crucial for delivering smooth and low latency remote session. Tuning network setting minimize latency and maximize throughput. Optimizing bandwidth enable seamless and efficient remote access. Performance testing validates network health and identify areas for improvement. Implementing test measures ensure reliable and secure remote connectivity. The organization should focus on developing its internal expertise in areas like IT, support, cybersecurity, and network administration. This will enable them to proactively address potential issues and respond effectively to emerging threats. The organization should also invest in training and upskilling its employees to enhance their technical skills and knowledge. Regularly reviewing and updating policies and procedures is another critical aspect that cannot be overlooked. Additionally, investing in cutting-edge technology and tools can provide an organization with a competitive edge in terms of security and efficiency. Furthermore, having a clear incident response plan in place can help organizations quickly respond to and contain incidents, minimizing the impact on business operations. The IT department at a large corporation has been tasked with improving the efficiency of their remote desktop environment. They are looking for ways to streamline their diagnostic processes and improve overall performance. One way to achieve this is by using a standardized diagnostic framework. A standardized framework would allow them to follow a consistent methodology when diagnosing issues, which would help to reduce the time spent on each case and increase productivity. By having a clear set of procedures and guidelines, they can ensure that all team members are working towards the same goal and objective. This would lead to better communication among team members and improved collaboration. Furthermore, a standardized framework would enable them to track progress and measure the effectiveness of their diagnostic effort. This would provide valuable insight into areas where improvements are needed, allowing them to make data-driven decisions. Additionally, a standardized framework would facilitate the sharing of knowledge and expertise among team members, enabling them to learn from each other's experience and successes. This would ultimately lead to a more efficient and effective diagnostic process. Our training program focuses on providing hands-on experience with remote desktop environment, allowing participants to develop practical skills and knowledge in managing and supporting these environments. The training covers key areas such as endpoint security, encrypted communication, and comprehensive data protection, which are essential for protecting sensitive information from potential threats. Participants will learn how to implement industry best practices for securing remote desktops, including measures to prevent unauthorized access and ensure confidentiality. They will also gain expertise in troubleshooting common issues, such as connectivity problems and slow system performance. By the end of the training, participants will be equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to maintain and improve their remote desktop environment, enabling them to make informed decisions about investments in new technology and infrastructure. The company provides a wide range of services including corporate training, IT, consulting, and cybersecurity. The training programs are designed to meet the specific needs of each organization. They cover topics such as IT, administration, help desk operations, and user support. The training is delivered through a variety of methods including classroom instruction, online learning, and simulation-based training. The goal is to equip employees with the necessary knowledge and skills to perform their jobs effectively. The training is tailored to address the unique challenge faced by each organization. Individual training can significantly boost your career prospect by earning a recognized certification that validates your expertise in the IT industry. This credential is respected across various sectors, making it an excellent way to enhance your professional standing. Furthermore, specializing in remote desktop management and security can strengthen your resume, setting you apart from others in the field. With this specialized knowledge, you'll unlock new opportunities for high-demand IT role in remote infrastructure and cybersecurity. Our company has been recognized as a leader in the field of IT service management. Our team of experts provide comprehensive IT service, including network administration, cybersecurity, and data analytics. We offer customized solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Our goal is to provide exceptional customer service and support, ensuring that our clients are satisfied with their chosen solution. The company has been providing remote work solutions since 2005. With over 15 years of experience, they have developed a comprehensive approach to remote work management. Their approach focuses on security, efficiency, and productivity. The company offers various services including remote desktop management, IT, support, and cybersecurity. They also provide training programs for individuals and organizations. These programs cover topics such as cloud computing, virtualization, and network security. The company's expertise lies in helping clients achieve their goals through effective remote work strategies. Remote Desk Training is a comprehensive program designed to equip professionals with the skills necessary to manage their remote workforce effectively. The program covers various aspects of remote work, including virtual team, communication strategies, time zone difference, and technology integration. Through interactive sessions and hands-on exercises, participants will gain practical knowledge on how to optimize remote work processes, improve collaboration, and increase productivity. Our experienced trainers will guide participants through real-world examples and case studies to illustrate key concepts and provide actionable insights. By enrolling in remote desk training, organizations can enhance their competitiveness in the global market and stay ahead of the curve in terms of remote work adoption.